Julie came to District 622 in 2014. She co-taught preschool with special education at Beaver Lake, then taught preschool at Castle Elementary, and now serves as the District 622 Early Learning Instructional Coach. Julie was honored as a KS95 Teacher of the Week in 2019. She is a strong collaborator and lifelong learner. She is conscientious, hardworking, and a devoted team player who is committed to students, parents, and her peers. All team members in early learning seek her advice and assistance. During the pandemic, Julie was a pioneer in learning Zoom and Seesaw and mentored the teachers in this new endeavor. She took on special projects like distance learning packets and partnered with 622 Transportation to help get them distributed. Tracy and I can always count on Julie to head up special projects or give insightful feedback and problem solve with us. She is our early learning champion.
The most rewarding part of my job would be watching the students learn and grow. Early learning is a unique and special time in a child's life when it's likely the first time that they've ever been in a classroom before. And I wanted to be that person that allowed children to enjoy and love being at their school and enjoy being with peers and with their teachers.